Hey, this is Jeremy Dixon from Elevate Clients Inc. And if you're watching this video, chances are you are a commercial cleaning business owner looking to grow. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 4-step strategies that you need to grow your business from $10,000 per month to $50,000 per month. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter and implementing the right systems. Strategy number 1 is to optimize your operations and your client retention. Before you even think about aggressive expansion, you need to make sure you have a rock solid foundation. Is your cleaning process standardized? Do you have a consistent, high quality cleaning process for every type of facility? If you don't, you need to create detailed checklists and training manuals. This ensures consistency, reduces errors, and makes training new staff easy. Think about it. A consistent, excellent service is your best marketing tool. As well, you need to invest in your team. Your cleaners are the backbone of your business. Pay them well, provide ongoing training, and create a positive work environment. Happy employees lead to happy clients, and high employee turnover is a massive drain on resources and quality. The next thing you need to do in this first phase is implement a CRM system. Even if it's just a simple one, you need to track client communications and prospect communications. You need to track service schedules, and you need to track feedback. This helps you stay organized, follow up effectively, and proactively address any issues that you have. So next thing you need to do is prioritize client retention. It is far more cost effective to keep an existing client than it is to acquire a new client. So regularly check in with your clients, ask for feedback, and address any concerns promptly. You might also want to consider quarterly reviews with your key clients. Strategy 2 is going to be strategic lead generation and sales. So once your operations are humming along, it's time to fill your pipeline with high value leads. This is where you really start to move the revenue needle. So what you need to do is identify your ideal clients. You shouldn't be chasing every and any lead. If you already have a base of clients, then think, who are your most profitable clients? Is it medical offices, corporate buildings, schools, or industrial facilities? Whichever one it is for your business, you need to focus your marketing efforts on businesses that align with your strengths and that offer high value contracts. So you need to niche down so that you can scale up. So the next thing you need to focus on is making sure that your digital base is set. What that's going to be is a professional website and local SEO, right? So your website is your digital storefront. But at the same time, a great website won't do anything if nobody sees it. And that's where search engine optimization comes in. So by optimizing your site for local keywords, you can rank higher in Google and drive traffic directly to yourself. So if you're optimizing your website for keywords such as commercial cleaning near me or commercial cleaning in your city, that's when traffic actually starts to come to you, your phone starts to ring. So the next thing you want to set up are cold email campaigns. Once you know your ideal client, how do you get in front of them? Cold email is incredibly effective for commercial cleaning companies. You want to craft personalized, value-driven emails that cut through the noise and get decision makers interested in a conversation. And at my company, Elevate Clients Inc., we specialize in developing these type of high converting cold email sequences that open doors to new opportunities. The next thing you want to do is start doing targeted cold calling. So complementing cold email, cold calling allows for immediate direct engagement. And when done right, not just reading a script, but having a genuine conversation, it can rapidly identify qualified prospects and accelerate your sales cycle. Our team trains and places cold callers inside of commercial cleaning companies. We train them on effective cold calling strategies, helping them confidently pitch your services and book more meetings. The last digital aspect you want to make sure you take care of is optimizing your Google business listing. So your Google business profile is crucial for local searches. Make sure that you get reviews, your profile is set up in the right way, and also make sure you're responding to those reviews and posting on your profile at least once a week. When it comes to offline networking, you can't beat that. So what you should be doing is you need to be attending local business events, chamber of commerce meetings, and any industry specific trade shows you can. Face-to-face connections are incredibly powerful in the commercial industry because most people are just talking on the phone. Most people are just sending emails, but once you get out there and you're meeting people face to face, it changes the game. Once you've met with prospects, you start getting leads coming in, you need to make sure you have compelling proposals. And trust me, I have seen some terrible, I'm talking about awful commercial cleaning proposals where somebody just pretty much just has a price on the page and that's it. Your proposals shouldn't be just a list of services and prices. Highlight the value you bring, how you save them money, how you improve their image, or how you just create a healthier environment for their workforce. What you want to do is make sure that you differentiate yourself from the competition. And you do that by being professional and prepared. The final step, master the sales conversation. You need to be prepared to discuss their pain points, offer solutions, and clearly articulate your unique selling proposition. Especially when you get to this phase, you need to focus on building relationships, not just making a sale, because you never know what can happen down the line. Maybe you don't make the sale today, but you had a good relationship with that person and whoever they hired, they messed it up. So now they come back to you because you actually built a relationship with that person. The third strategy is going to be financial management and reinvesting into your business. Scaling requires smart financial decisions. So you need to understand your numbers inside and out. You need to know your profit margins, your cost per acquisition, and your operational expenses. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. When it comes to even your pricing, think about it. You need to price for profit, not just value. Don't undercut your services just to get the contract. Value your work, value your workers, and price accordingly. Remember, higher value clients often prioritize quality and reliability over the lowest price. And I've seen it personally where we have two different companies, two of our partner companies bidding on the same contract. The company with the higher price won because they were more professional. It's not just about undercutting, it's about providing value. Next is reinvest smartly. As you start bringing in more revenue, don't just take it all out. Reinvest in better equipment. Number one, technology, which could be your CRM, scheduling tools, communication tools. Invest in your marketing and sales, which is crucial. You should be allocating a portion of your profits to continuously get new clients. So that means investing in ongoing SEO, refining your cold email campaigns, hiring or refining your cold calling for even better results, as well as staff development, which could be training programs, bonuses, and benefits just to retain your best employees. And the last thing when it comes to your cash is you want to make sure you build a cash reserve. Unexpected expenses happen. Clients not paying for 2 to 3 months, it happens. So having a healthy cash reserve will give you peace of mind and allow you to seize opportunities as they come. Now for the final strategy, the last strategy in this video is going to go over systems and delegation. This is where you truly break free from being a one-person show. You need to document everything, every process, every task, every decision. If you can document it, you can delegate it. If you can't document it, you can't delegate it. This is how you truly build a business that can run without you consistently being involved in every single detail. So next, you want to make sure that you hire strategically. Don't just hire bodies. Hire people who fit your company culture and are capable of taking ownership of their own roles. You want to start with key positions that free up your time for higher level tasks, such as an operations manager or a dedicated salesperson. And remember, while you can handle some outreach in-house, scaling often means bringing in experts. At my company, Elevate Clients Inc., our services are designed to either handle these crucial functions for you, like running cold email or cold calling campaigns, or train your team to execute them flawlessly. Okay, so last thing I want to touch on is just focusing on high leverage activities as the CEO. As the CEO, your job shifts from cleaning to strategic planning, relationship building, and continuous improvement. So delegate the tasks that don't require your direct involvement and start being the boss. All right, so scaling your commercial cleaning company from $10,000 per month to $50,000 per month isn't just a dream, it's a very achievable goal when you implement these strategies. It requires discipline, strategic planning, and a commitment to building a truly scalable business. At Elevate Clients Inc., we specialize in helping commercial cleaning companies just like yours implement these exact systems and generate high quality leads. Whether it's by getting you found on Google through SEO, crafting compelling cold email campaigns, or empowering you with effective cold calling strategies, we provide the solutions to elevate your client acquisition. So if you're ready to stop trading time for money and truly elevate your commercial cleaning business with proven client acquisition strategies, I invite you to click the link below in the description. We'd love to talk and see if we'd be a fit to work together. I appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit the notification button so you don't miss the next video. This is Jeremy Dixon from Elevate Clients Inc., and I'll see you in the next one.